Are you looking for an affordable used Ford near Kirkwood, Missouri? Suntrup Ford Kirkwood is your certified dealer. We're at 10340 Manchester Road, serving Kirkwood in St. Louis County. Each Ford Blue Advantage vehicle undergoes a 172-point inspection by factory-trained technicians. Gold-certified vehicles include a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. Blue-certified vehicles come with a 3-month, 3,000-mile warranty. When seeking a used car, you may consider private sellers, but they lack assurance. A certified pre-owned Ford has inspection history, backed warranties, and expert support from Suntrup Ford. Conveniently located for customers from Baldwin, Webster Groves, Fenton, or Creve Coeur, we aim to provide quality and long-term value. What is Ford Blue Advantage Certified Pre-Owned? It features 2 tiers, Gold and Blue. Gold tier covers vehicles up to 2 years old with 20,000 miles, including a 12-month 12,000-mile warranty. Blue tier includes vehicles up to 6 years old with 80,000 miles and a 3-month warranty. Key differences from standard used cars include rigorous inspections, manufacturer warranties, and Ford roadside assistance. CPO vehicles may also qualify for better financing through Ford Motor Credit. Why choose Suntrup Ford Kirkwood? We focus on transparency and strong customer relationships. Our sales team ensures a no-pressure buying experience, and vehicles are inspected by our technicians. Popular models include the Ford F-150, Explorer, Escape, Bronco, Edge, Expedition, and Mustang. Check our inventory online or call 314-936-4742 for information. Ready to find your certified pre-owned Ford? Visit our website to browse inventory, explore financing, or contact our sales team. Your reliable vehicle awaits at Suntrup Ford Kirkwood.